Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to transfer money from Coinmarketcap to your Cash App. Now, first things first, what exactly is the Coinmarketcap about? Now, the Coinmarketcap is the world's most referenced price tracking website for crypto assets in the rapidly growing cryptocurrency space. And its mission is pretty simple, which is to make crypto discoverable and efficient globally by empowering retail users with unbiased, high quality, and accurate information for drawing their own informed conclusions. So now that we know what exactly the CoinMarketCap is about, let's see how we can create an account on CoinMarketCap. Now, launch in the browser of your choice. So locate the search bar of your browser. In the browser, type in coinmarketcap.com. All right, that's going to take you to the official website for CoinMarketCap. Once again, to the website, click the top right corner. You're going to find the login button, which is to log in using existing account. And of course, the sign up button, which is to create a new account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in CoinMarketCap. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to transfer money from the CoinMarketCap to Cashapp. From your homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find your profile icon. Click on that. You're going to see an extended menu here that says Watch List, Portfolio, My Community Page Settings, and Logout. Go ahead and click on Portfolio, and that's going to take you to the Portfolio window, which of course we have in here. Now that we're here, it is time to bust your bubbles safely. Now, you cannot transfer real money from CoinMarketCap to any application at all, not even Cash App. That's because CoinMarketCap is strictly for analysis and information and knowledge. All right, it just helps you to stay abreast of what's happening in cryptocurrency space. It helps you keep track of your cryptocurrencies, see how they are, or your tokens, see how they are performing, see what the market is saying about your tokens, or see what the market is saying about your assets. So you cannot transfer real money because CoinMarketCap doesn't have the capacity to hold real-time money. But then you can sync your balance, all right, you can sync your balance from Cash App into the CoinMarketCap so that you can track your coin. Okay, and this is what you can do. This is how you can do that. Go ahead and click on this Create Portfolio button, and it's going to take you here where you have Connect Your Wallet. So go ahead and click on Connect Your Wallet, and once you do that, go ahead and type in your portfolio name. Check on the new name that you want to add. You can even change the profile avatar if this is too boring. Now, right here where you have the wallet address, the most important part, I'd like you to read the supported networks that CoinMarketCap supports. Now, once you do, let's say for example, you have Ethereum and you have this Ethereum asset in your Cash App. So head over to Cash App and copy the wallet address for Ethereum. Once you copy that wallet address, go ahead and paste the wallet address in here. And once you paste it in here, go ahead and click on Create Connection, and you see that the balance for the Ethereum in your Cash App is going to be synced into the CoinMarketCap. So once you do that, head over to the left corner of your screen. You're going to find the portfolio that you recently added. Go ahead and click on the portfolio, the new portfolio from that coin, all right, that was added from your Cash App, and you're going to find the balance right here from that coin, which is Ethereum. So once you see your balance, you can now be able to track the all-time profit, best performers, the best performers, and the worst performer. And you can even track the performance, can track the allocation as well. You can check the history to see how the coin is performing. You can even check the price, and as a 1 hour, so 24 hours, and 7 days, the holdings. You're also going to be able to check the average buy price and the profit and loss. So this is actually going to help you see the charts and know what exactly is happening in the market in that particular coin that you synced through your Cash App. But you cannot transfer real money from the CoinMarketCap. All right, so you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.